It looks like OpenAI is getting ready to launch a new web search product in the next couple of weeks, and it could shake up the search engine landscape. According to a recent article from The Information, a trusted tech news source, OpenAI has been developing a search tool that would put the Microsoft-backed startup in more direct competition with Google. The article, originally published on February 18th, revealed that OpenAI is working on this new search product based on information from someone familiar with the company's plans. This is significant because the timing lines up with Google's upcoming I/O event on May 14th, 2024. Google I/O is the tech giant's annual developer conference where they showcase their latest products, services, and innovations, often including updates to Android, Google's hardware like Pixel phones, and advancements in AI and machine learning. The fact that OpenAI may release their new search tool right before Google's big event suggests we're in for a major showdown in the AI space over the next couple of weeks. OpenAI and Google have been in fierce competition, with both companies engaging in a talent war, trying to poach top engineers from each other. One key detail from the article is that OpenAI's new search product is said to be partly powered by Bing. This is interesting because it likely means the tool will leverage Microsoft's search engine technology, potentially an enhanced version of the company's AI-powered Bing search assistant, Copilot. Copilot is Microsoft's attempt to integrate AI into its search engine to provide more helpful and contextual results, similar to how OpenAI's ChatGPT works. However, Copilot hasn't made much of a dent in Google's search dominance so far. By tapping into the millions of ChatGPT users, OpenAI may be able to create a more viable challenger to Google search. Evidence of this upcoming OpenAI search product can be seen in the company's SSL certificate logs, which show that they've registered the domain search.chatgpt.com. This suggests they're preparing to launch a dedicated search website powered by the ChatGPT technology. So, what might this new OpenAI search tool actually look like? Well, there's been a small demo shared on Twitter by a researcher named Torbjørn Blydal, who has been digging into OpenAI's public code and resources. Based on his findings, the search interface could feature a simple search bar, with the results displaying a summary of the web page, relevant sources, and even images. The internal message that Blydal uncovered indicates the AI system will be tasked with summarizing web pages into concise 300-character English sentences and generating an appropriate title. This suggests OpenAI is aiming to provide users with quick, high-level overviews of search results, rather than just presenting a list of links. Of course, these are just early glimpses, and the final product may look quite different. But it does seem to align with the approach taken by other AI-powered search tools, like Anthropic's Perplexity AI. Perplexity provides users with direct, informative answers to queries, rather than just a list of potentially irrelevant web pages. The Perplexity example is interesting because the founder of that company previously worked at OpenAI. This highlights how talent is moving between the top AI labs and startups as people seek to apply their expertise in creating more effective search and information retrieval tools. Google has been cautious in its approach to integrating AI into its search engine, likely due to concerns about the quality and reliability of AI-generated information. The tech giant has introduced a Search Generative Experience, SGE, that provides AI-powered snapshots and follow-up questions, but it's still quite limited compared to what Perplexity and the rumored OpenAI search tool are aiming to deliver. The reason for Google's caution is understandable. As a massive, publicly traded company, Google has to be very careful about introducing new technologies that could potentially damage its reputation or disrupt its core $150 billion search advertising business. One misstep could send the stock price plummeting and invite ridicule from the tech community. In contrast, smaller, more agile companies like Perplexity and potentially OpenAI can afford to take more risks and innovate more quickly. This is likely why we're seeing these newer players emerge with more ambitious AI-powered search solutions that aim to surpass Google's capabilities. It's clear that the race is on to create the next generation of search tools that can leverage the power of large language models like ChatGPT to provide users with more relevant, helpful, and trustworthy information. OpenAI's foray into this space could be a game changer, especially if they can successfully integrate Microsoft's Bing technology in a way that truly challenges Google's dominance. The timing of this potential OpenAI search launch, right before Google's big I/O event, suggests the two tech giants are gearing up for a major showdown in the AI and search arena. It's an exciting time for anyone interested in the future of how we access and interact with information online. As an AI-savvy audience, you'll likely be keeping a close eye on these developments. It'll be fascinating to see how OpenAI's new search product compares to Google's cautious approach and whether it can truly disrupt the status quo in the search engine market. The next few weeks are shaping up to be a pivotal moment in the ongoing battle for AI supremacy.